Team 29 forecast.
All right, the next big thing I'm tracking from the Weather Center will be cold, gusty winds, but not until tomorrow. Hello, I'm Storm Team 29 meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. As we head into Tuesday afternoon, those northwest winds will be in excess of 30 miles per hour. There will likely be some wind advisories posted for later on tomorrow, so those March winds will huff and puff later on Tuesday. But looking back, let's recap the little snowfall we had on Sunday, thanks to Debbie in Earlysville showing the flakes of flying around midday yesterday. And as expected, if the snow peppered down hard enough, we had a little bit of an accumulation. In fact, it was Charlottesville's first snowfall in about a year. You have to go back to last March to have some measurable snowfall. It was 3/10 of an inch, but if you scraped all that snow together, you had a small little snow person there. Thanks to Bob for that little photo there of the little snowman. And thanks to Kenneth at Afton this morning, showing the inch of snowfall they had yesterday. And this was the sunrise this morning above the fog and low clouds over central Virginia. So about an inch yesterday at the top of Wintergreen. We had a half inch or less from Waynesboro, Elkton, Charlottesville over into Lake Monticello. Only a little grassy coat, really. It only lasted for about an hour before it started to melt away. Now looking at the time lapse this morning from Pinnacles along Skyline Drive with the fog, we had some freezing fog, kind of froze to the tree branches there, but watch as the sun begins to break out here at the midday hour. That frost and snow is melting away along the western slopes of the Blue Ridge. Right now numbers are well above freezing. We're in the mid 40s from Orange over into Charlottesville, and now about 40 in Harrisonburg, Stanton to Waynesboro. As the sun begins to break out, the temperatures will come up a few more degrees. NBC 29's live Doppler radar is showing us clear conditions. We're between two weather systems. I'm watching a pocket of cold air over the Great Lakes region into the Ohio Valley. This is going to further develop into a nor'easter. Yeah, we're talking about a big-time snow event for interior northeastern parts of the U.S. as a coastal storm will be just along the coastal areas from Boston to New York City, and that's going to produce a lot of snow for those areas with gusty northeast winds. They're going to measure the snow with perhaps a foot or two over the higher elevations of upstate New York into sections of New England. For us, no snow, but there will be some snow back west across the Allegheny Highlands back into West Virginia with those northwest upslope winds. Our high-res weather tracker shows today not a whole lot going on. Very small chance for a shower. Later on tomorrow, some more sunshine breaks out with a gusty northwest wind. Our next weather system will arrive here until early on Saturday morning with a few rain showers. So later Friday night into early on Saturday, a few rain showers. For today, though, mostly cloudy to partly sunny with a spotty shower, highs upper 40s and low 50s. And for the overnight, lows near or a little bit below freezing with clearing and colder conditions. Gusty winds on Tuesday. You'll need that winter coat with highs upper 30s for the valley, mid 40s over central Virginia, but the wind will make it feel colder with the wind chill. Here's your 7-day forecast. Near 30 tomorrow night, the winds relax, still brisk on Wednesday in the 50s, 60s and nicer Thursday. Increasing clouds Friday for St. Patrick's Day. Later Friday night and Saturday morning, a few rain showers, drying out Saturday afternoon and low 50s and a little cooler on next Sunday in dry skies. Jared.